What country are you in? I'm from the Philippines, Harley. Thank you, Bill, Homer, and Jakmpak. Thank you, everyone, for liking the live. Thank you, Homer, for liking. Hello, Prime Wave. Thank you for liking the... Thank you for liking the live. Hi, good boy. Guys, wala akong magawa. Alam mo ka, manami kang alag mo. Hindi yun sa amin, sa namin, sa kapitbahay namin yun, pero yun ang diba? Ayun. Super ingay. Thank you, Healer. Hello, how are you? I'm doing great. How about you? Can you follow me? No, I can't. Super dami ng alagang manok ng kapitbahay namin. Kaya rinig na rinig dito pag tumugtog-awak sila. Okay, bye. Okay, bye. Bye, Killer. I hope to visit there, my friend, build a big house. You can. Maybe soon. Guys, sana makaabot tayo ng mga 15k within this month. Hindi ka ba kumakanta? Kumakanta ako, pero parang dito, di bagay sa content ko dito na kumakanta. Siguro pag nag-studio ako, magla-live ako kumakanta. Soon. Thank you, Harley. Thank you, Pam. Sorry guys, super ingay ng manok talaga. Kung gagawa lang time ko. Shall we, everyone? Hello, Daffy. Hello, SBIP. Thank you for the flower, Harley. Thank you so much. Guys, look at my nails. Look at my nails. I think it's the lucky nails. Charot. Okay, ang ganda mo, natural. Thank you, Amber. Kumukha talaga kasi ako ng live ngayon. Kumukha talaga ako ng live kasi baka di ako makakapag-live ulit mamaya. Diba? Ayoko kasi, ano ba yan? May hinahabol akong oras. How tall are you? I'm 5'2". Okay. Hello, Ori. And Tala. Sorry. I'm 6 foot. Wow. Are you sure? Are you sure about that? It's a good height. But I'm not gonna use filter.